Pari gave a very interesting instruction to his Egyptian subjects. He said that all of the Jewish boys should be thrown into the Nile River and thus be killed, because he was worried that the Jewish Mashiach, the one who would bring the Yidden salvation, would come from a Yiddish boy. And then he added in another few words, V'chola bas t'chayim. And the question is, if all he wanted was that the Jewish boys should be thrown into the river, why did he have to add in the last 3 words about the Yiddish girls, that they should be left alive? And one of the explanations is that this was also an instruction from Pari. Pari was instructing his Egyptian subjects that the boys should be killed physically, but the girls should also be guided and educated in the Egyptian culture. The Jewish girls shouldn't just be left alive and be able to be educated in the Jewish schools and the Jewish way of life, but they should be given an Egyptian education and thus be raised as good Egyptian women. And the lesson over here is that we have to be careful, not only from physical death, but we must be careful even from a spiritual death, and even more so, it's even more important to be careful from a spiritual death, because as we know, spiritual death can be even worse than a physical death.